Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to install pedal shifters on my Mustang GT today. So I ordered them but I did not get the time to install. Okay, let me quickly show you. These are the two pedal shifts which I ordered. This is made in China. This is real carbon fiber. Look at the finish. I really love the finish of these. These are expensive, around $80 to $100. The quality is wow. You can feel the premiumness of a carbon fiber on. And this is how it fits. You need to remove this 3M tape. As you can see, it fits perfectly. There's one more pedal shifter which I ordered. For this I need to stick 3M. It doesn't come pre-fit. This is pure metal. So this is metal. I can feel it is very cold. When compared to this, there's no temperature transfer. It is cold outside. This was in my boot for almost 2 days. I can feel the metal is very cold. So I know when I drive in cold weathers, this is going to get cold. It has the exact same grooves. You just have to take it, place it on this shifter here. So I know this is the feel and look I'm going to have. This feels more coverage. My hand sits better on the paddle shifter here when compared to this. This is very light, very thin on the top, and it's not that grippy for my liking. This doesn't feel complete. This gives a perfect feel and fit. My fingers are grabbing around this. It's easy to shift with this rather than this. So I decided to go with the carbon fiber, and this is what I'm going to install today. Let's remove the 3M tape. Done. A couple of minutes. Problem one, I tried to stick it for a longer time. Hold it for 2 minutes, it's not sticking. It's coming out. So I realized the gum is not too strong. Might be because of winter. So I decided to give it some lighter. Let's try now. Wow, it actually worked. It's pretty strong. Before it would come out if I do this. Let's do the same thing on the left side now. So this is the left side pedal shifter. Let's remove this. I'll hold it for a minute. Let's see what happens. Almost a minute. I just want to push it and see. If I do the same thing with this doesn't come out. It's actually working. The dots, that is where it is actually holding on. My pedal shifter has these grippers back. Your fingers can actually feel the grip. It's very well designed. Right now I'll not have the grip anymore, but I'll have this. Let me try recording the grip. See this texture part? You can actually feel the grip while you're trying to do a pedal shift. So that is the exact mark you can see here, the imprint, when I'm trying to install. Let's use the lighter again. Because it's cold outside, the gum is not that strong anymore. Done. Let's hold it for 2 minutes. I feel it's a great setup. Okay, this is how it looks. Done holding the wheel. If you want your hand to be on a shifter, you don't have to be here. You can actually be here and shift easily now. And especially the finish of this carbon fiber is what I love. It looks really cool. Guys, you should see this. One of the best upgrades. It looks so classy. I thought it would obstruct my hands while driving, but no, it's definitely one of the best upgrades I got. I can shift very easily. I would definitely recommend anyone going with this over the metal one. I also want to show you guys the extension caps. See the difference. The original carbon fiber actually looks very interesting. See the texture. Everything looks very different when compared to this. This is just a dip. You see this, how it is not properly dipped over this side. The carbon fiber looks all stretched. I did not like that. Okay, this is how it is designed to be. Don't sit on your cover. What do you think? They actually look good. Stretch lines are here. This is exactly why I thought I should not put these. Now that I put that on the car, I don't think it's bad. It looks good. It looks cool. So this is the second one. Again, this has a little bit of stretch, not too much. This is going to sit like this. One more thing which actually made me think is this driver side view, like a triangle. You see that? Your indicator light is seen. So this is made for 2025. But this is how it looks from the front. I think it looks good. This is the spoiler. I also like how the indicators flow like a matrix from left to right. I want them. They look cool. So let me show you what I expected and bought. This is what I ordered. So you see this and see the line literally goes down and then bends. So technically it had to be like this. It's not a perfect match when compared to the picture. I think it looks cool. I should keep them. Going to make a second vlog. I think I'll keep them. I like them.